Hello everyone, I'm back. Okay, let's turn off the. I washed my hand already. One more time, just rinse it one more time, just like this slow rinsing. I rinsed the duck wood, and yep. Um, we still have the leftover black rice left, like a little bit of the purple rice my wife cooked the day before, and this is called like what is this? This is called dry bean curd. OK，腐竹係福建嘅。OK，咩牌咧？睇過係咩牌子啊？Blessed Squirrel。OK，Blessed Squirrel 雙福燕。When I was a kid, our home has our home corner. Like for example, that is the home corner. Our home corner have a lot of swallows. 好多燕子嘅。OK，so it's a couple of them. So 好多係 is living in our home, and the corner is so I understand what swallow is means. Okay, do swallow, swallow. Okay, swallow 燕子. Okay, anyway, I got 4 eggs. I have the leftover of the um um I have the leftover of the. This is the leftover sauce, and also the um Okay, so what I would do is the following. I put the. I'll make a. I'm gonna use this to turn into a dish. Okay, how I do it? It's easy. I just pour this in with here. Pour this in. Since they're very tasty. Okay, the way they did it is very tasty. So I will add water, add a little bit of warm water, very quickly. Okay. Okay. Let's add a little water first. I don't want it that dry. So first thing first is cut out this like fujuk. Okay. Dry bean curd. Okay. This is pretty good. Okay. Dry bean curd, just cut it out. 中國嘅福建牌特產啊，OK anyway, so just put it like this. See, this is like 有好好啦，有好多唔同嘅牌子嘅，OK。富足有呢隻牌子，有福建嘅味道。Dry bean curd, OK. This is make our bean curd, so they just dried it. So you just, this is fresh, just rinsing it, put it inside. Like that. You need to add more water, okay? Cold water. Since they make it so delicious, okay, already. So I'm gonna use whatever they did, put it on top. Dry more bean curd inside. This is dry bean curd, okay? Use the lamb dish, the lamb dish we bought leftover. We brought it home to make that, okay? And also for the rice, I make a fried rice with it, okay? So since it's very tasty, I love it. I just want the dry bean curd to absorb all the taste of the wonderful sauce they make in the restaurant. So just poke it out in half, and then just dump everything in. See, I put everything in. 福建特產啊，係中國嘅福建特產啊。OK, this is good. 有好多種牌子㗎，我記得出邊有幾隻好好牌啦，有好多有唔同嘅牌子㗎。我下次賣俾大家睇下啊。Oh, this is only like bean like hold on, okay? I need to put little water in it because right now before it's too hot, so I had to get rid of that or else it got burned, okay? I already cleaned it, but it just got burned because it's too hot. Anyway, let me turn this on. This is garbage. rinse in my hand. This one, it's gotta cover it. I need to add a little more water. Okay? This is not enough water. I thought about using this ceramic pot to do it. It's clean, but I think it's better to use this one today. So cold water. The water is rinsing for a while. It's good. Okay? That place is pretty good. They gave us a quart, you know, to bring home. I asked them, can I please get the sauce? And it's very nice. They gave us a quart. Okay, I think this is much better. Now close it. Let it boil. Meanwhile, I'm doing the eggs right now. This is before it's not like that. So, oh, you know what? I can fix it. Since I don't want it like dark. Don't try this at home, okay? If you just hot, since I put cold water in already, it's already not hot now, okay? So don't try this right away to do it when you don't know how to do it, okay? Okay, it's good. I just want to look better. Before I think I burn it over burn it. I heat up the pan already. Too long, it turned black, like because I dropped the sauce in when I dip this in, the sauce went in, you know. Anyway, let it heat up one more time. Give it the water. Heat up one more time. I'm not letting it heat very hot, okay? Because I put a little extra olive oil, and then right away I put this oil away from the heat. So I put it over here. I put it over here. Okay. Okay. Now let it burn. And then I put the fried rice in. Before I do that, the fried rice, I just use my hands. Since my hands clean, okay. One more time, just make sure it's clean. I clean it already, so I don't want to waste the rice. So the rice, I better finish the rice within 2 days. Always, I try to finish it in 1 or 2 days. I don't want to put the rice in the fridge for 4 or 5 days. It's not healthy for you and I. Okay, so just use your hand, spread the rice, break the rice apart. 冷飯就炒飯最一流啊。OK， 用冷飯整嘅 OK， 用新鮮飯整唔到嗰種效果嘅 OK， 整到但係冇咁好食咯。一劈劈咁，但係而家一粒粒分開，佢就好容易啲咯嗬。大家係咪先？咁係 OK here。This is the rice。呢個唔好要啦，跌咗啦，算啦。OK。開頭嗰話分開嚟炒嘅，應該整個蛋先。哎呀呀！頭先整個飯先啦，唔緊要啦。I thought about making the egg first with the extra olive oil, but I put the rice in already. So 錯有錯在啦，唔緊要啦。Same thing, okay? So either way is fine. 加少少平時嘅，除咗橄欖油，加少少 corn oil 喺入邊啦。OK， 咁你呢個整緊嘅時候，等佢兜先啦，整熱咗佢先。OK， 等佢兜先啦，等佢兜兩兜。而家我prepare咗呢個先啦。橫掂有個 cut 喺度啦，啱啱呢個洗咗啦，啱好啊。你呢個啱啦，抌落去啦，影落去 ，crack， 抌落去 ，crack， 整落去，抌喺度。嗱，3步驟，1、2、3、4。and then 第5就係呢個啦呢個入邊有嘢味睇住大家加少少油，加咗油味然後加少少雞粉，少少得噶啦。OK， 即咁嘟搞掂，shake佢先，抌翻埋佢，攞翻上去。OK， 以後做咩嘢？攪勻佢，用筷子又好，用羹又好， 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20，搞掂。嗱呢度唔係曱甴嚟㗎，呢啲係嗰啲牛腩嗰啲煲嗰啲嘢啊。Anyway， 嗱呢度差唔多啦啊！我唔想佢黐底啊，大家啦睇咁多啊！你燒鑊個鑊咧，你就唔會黐底啊！大家燒唔鑊個鑊咧，又黐埋一齊啊！黐得好緊要㗎，唔想黐大家啊！大家希望冇分開少少啊！咁大家呢度 OK 啦，差唔多先。呢度仲有少少水分喎，你大家點炒飯炒到焗咁樣色唔掂當喎，係咪？但係咁講點算咧？啊，咁冇辦法啊！我因為大家係順解人意嘅 ，OK， 我哋大家咁先，有商有量，你睇住嚇，認真睇住啊！因為佢啲顏色咧，我就唔擺老抽喺度啦。如果唔係咧，平時擺少少老抽落去轉顏色，擺俾啲雞粉落去都掂 ，OK？ 啊，各有千秋係咪先？咁而家我因為咁樣時間觀念咧，要快啊嘛，要快靚正，咁我就先就有一樣嘢就係熄一熄佢先，熄一熄，放低個飯先啊，放低飯先啊，放手，放開啲飯啊，放開飯之後咧，哎呀好簡單係咪先？咁放呢度，影呢度放咗度先啊，呢個飯就差唔多7成啦啊，咁而家咧就大家睇住咯喎，哎呀，咁而家加少少油落去先。有油先炒到嘢㗎，係咪先？而家要整起嘢啦，大家小心啲。有細路仔咧，就可以行開少少冇細路仔咧就你可以幫阿媽媽煮完飯食完飯咧，幫阿媽媽洗下碗抌下垃圾就 OK 啦 ，OK？ 大嗰啲咧就幫阿老豆老母去買下餸煮下嘢最大個咧整俾老豆老母食整俾爸爸媽媽食係咁簡單，大家唔好話先。咁而家差唔多咯喎，而家開始自着咗咯，小心扭出嚟啦，擺落去幾分鐘嘅啫，一、2、3，記住我要兜佢喎啦，呢啲落嚟咧，呢度上去，呢度落去，睇住喎，你見唔見到呢度落咧？咁你呢度就要走開咯喎，又落嚟咯喎，哎呀，大家係咪先？大家，哎呀好似啲狼咁樣，大家你去嗰邊，佢到佢炒咗佢咧，呢邊未炒，咁拱去嗰邊咯。講到嗰邊就差唔多嗰時候，哎呀，好似又嚟啦，唔好係咪啊？呢個好似炒蛋啊，而家你想熟啲咪炒熟啲咯，唔想熟啲咪半生咗擺啲咁又可以各有各好啊。咁因為我想啲蛋咧就少少窿係乾身少少，咁我就用個手，哎呀2、3啦，2、3、4、5、6、7、8玩下遊戲都可以啊。咁而家呢個跌咗落嚟咧就，唔緊要啦，跌喺蛋呢度。咁而家繼續去玩咯喎，咁而家就熄一熄佢先。而家我想啲蛋咧，大家就啲蛋咧就希望啲蛋咧會鬆化，乾身少少，因為我想炒飯啊嘛，係嘛？我唔係想濕盞蛋啊。咁而家就整爛咗佢先。啲蛋本身而家有味道噶咯喎，好好味噶咯喎，本身咁樣食都好好味噶啦，你加啲葱落去，咁就已經好靚仔噶啦 ，OK？ 或者靚女都可以 ，OK？ 冇所謂噶 ，OK？咁已經係冇分性別嘅，但係 anyway 呢個蛋係食物 ，OK， 唔想講錯嘢就唔好講啦。我而家收 OK， 而家就加咩咧？加油都得我加飯啦而家 OK， 而家加飯啦，因為呢度乾淨嘅，而家就啱啱乾淨，等佢一路做一路洗因為時間觀念大家要時間睇住時間。睇餸食飯睇時間都要準備瞓覺嘅，大家係咪先？咁而家咧就開始啦，而家等佢炒兩炒咧，仲未得噶嘛，係咪先？咁而家咧要上映咯喎。Honey， 幫我做一件事得唔得有啲葱喺邊度仲有少少葱，你係咪抌啲葱喺邊度仲係咪一紮葱㗎 ，Honey？ 仲有一紮葱食咗啦？冇搞過我明明仲有一紮葱㗎。唔係仲有一隻葱嘅喎，你幫我炒下係咪仲有一隻葱？你睇下入邊呢度有冇隻葱？I told my wife it should be one bunch of scallions left. I don't know where it is, so I told my wife to take it out. 大家見唔見到？我想嗰啲蛋咧少少窿窿地啦，係咪先？我就想呢個效果啦所以特登擺落去講咁多嘢就係咁就冇算啦，冇蛋冇葱就算啦。俾條菜心嚟啦，唔該。嗰度有菜心，仲有幾條菜心攞嚟啊？唔該你啊。 喂，我而家做緊嘢啊，等下唔該你啊 ，action，honey， 係咪咁都唔得啊？踢手踭啊，喂大佬，食有揾，做兩次都唔得嘛，快啲啦！唔該你啊，攞隻葱，你攞俾我得啦，我唔使你做嘢，快啲啦！我而家搞掂啦，喺呢度咯嗱，here 嗱紙咪俾你，攞少少芹菜嚟啦，係啊，你幫我攞2條出嚟啦，洗2條俾我快啲喺嗰度。而家我做緊呢度，我做緊呢度炒飯啊，唔該你啊，你行入去先啦，你行咗入去先。係啊，哇！使乜抌我一拳啊，大佬？哇！我告你家暴㗎，唔小心抌咗一拳。哇！如果更加真實，我咪死喺你身上，好痛喎，大佬。sorry。My wife punched me in the back, and I say, hey, stop doing that, you know. Hurts. It's like good. She say, oh, it's an accident. It's okay. I forgive you, honey. Okay. Hey, stop. Hey, stop touching my bottom, honey. No good. Okay. Just playing. She's good. Okay. We just playing. Okay. So anyway, push this down, the water down. Okay. Since I want to turn this off a little bit. This is almost ready. You see? It's supposed to be tasty already. This one is like the fun. The rice. This is good already.